Is your laptop ignoring your SD card like a teenager ignoring chores? Let's fix that now. First, we need to rule out the simple stuff: power cycle your laptop. Why Euro? That means shutting it down completely, not just closing the lid, waiting a few seconds, and then turning it back on. Sometimes a quick reboot is all it takes to refresh connections. Next, physically check the SD card and the slot. Make sure the SD card is fully inserted and is in the correct orientation. If you have another SD card, try inserting that one to see if the issue is with the card itself or your laptop's reader. Now, let's dive into your computer settings. On Windows, search for Device Manager and open it. Look for disk drives or universal serial bus controllers and expand those sections. Do you see your SD card listed, perhaps with a yellow exclamation mark, or maybe as a known device? If it is, right-click on it and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will try to find and install the correct driver if it can't find one. Right-click again and select Uninstall Device. Then, unplug your SD card, restart your computer, and reinsert the SD card to let Windows reinstall the driver from scratch. Still no luck? Let's check Disk Management. Search for Disk Management and open it. See if your SD card appears here, even if it doesn't have a drive letter assigned. If it shows up but has no drive letter, right-click on the partition and select Change Drive Letter and Paths. Click Add. Choose a drive letter from the drop-down, and click OK. This might make it visible in File Explorer. Finally, for the SD card itself, gently clean the metal contacts with a dry, lint-free cloth. Dust or debris can sometimes interfere with the connection. By following these steps, you should be able to get your laptop to recognize your SD card and access your valuable data again. Don't let a hidden SD card ruin your day.